Gigo.
Unveil the mysteries of nature together. Brand new design building blocks. With just 70 pieces, you can assemble 3 adorable animals. Each animal has its own unique characteristics. Their fun stories await kids to assemble and challenge. The game also includes exciting relay races and one-on-one competitions, along with various creative play modes. You can change the model's center of gravity or adjust the slope's angle. Make the model move and observe the center of gravity in action. More advanced challenges are waiting for you. How to balance more blocks. To successfully complete the levels, the 3 animals can also be combined into a little monster. Enjoy a unique learning and fun experience with your child right now.